Do you want to make money? Do you want to become wealthy? Or do you want to accumulate wealth over time? In today's video, we'll be talking about 4 major ways of making money. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I want to welcome you here. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit on the notification bell to get notified when we upload new video. My whole subscribers, my family, did you miss me last week? I'm sorry, but I'm here now, and in today's video we'll be talking about how to make money. The first way of making money is this: work. If you are working for yourself or you are working for somebody, you are using your time to make money. Okay, let me give you an example of myself. I still work from 8 to 6, sometimes from 8 to 8, sometimes. I'm using my time to make money. You can also earn money by selling. You use your skills to sell something for somebody, and what you earn here is commission. Now, the first one I said, what you earn is salary. In this second part, what you earn is commission. Now, whatever, however, if you are earning commission and you are not there 8 to 5, 8 to 6, or you are not there with the whole of your time doing that thing for yourself, you are earning money. If you don't get this concept of selling, wait at the end of this video because I will be using one example to clarify all the points that I am making. You can also make money by having an income producing asset. Let me make it short. If you have business that other people are working for you, you are not there all the time, and that business is bringing income at the end of the year, you have a business that is an income producing asset. If you own a house and they are paying you rent, or you own a land and people are working on that land and they are paying you rent, it is also an income producing asset. If you have equipment and you are renting it out or you are letting it out, it is also an income producing asset for you. In essence, if you want to make money, own an income producing asset. Another major way of making money for yourself, for your company, for your business is by lending. You lend money, you accumulate wealth over time, and you lend people. That is what banks do. They lend money. If you are an investor in a certain business, you are lending your money and they are going to be paying you premium. You are lending money. Okay? If you are a shareholder in a company or you buy stock, you are lending your money to that company. Okay? That is also a major way or another way of making money for yourself. Okay, let's give an example to all these things. How you can make money. You know, remember I said number 1, you can make money by working. Let me use myself as an example. I'm receiving salary, I'm making money. Now, if I market your product for you and I receive commission, okay, I also make money by that. Do you understand? Receiving commission. Now, if I own an asset, like I own a land, I own equipment, I say, come and borrow, you use it, and you pay me. I'm making rental income. Do you understand now? Now, the fourth way is if I accumulate wealth, and I say, okay, you need 50,000 naira, you need 100,000, you need 200,000, and I give you that money, and you pay me back with interest. Then I'm lending. I'm also making money by that. I hope you understand the 4 major ways of making money. Now, if you want to accumulate wealth, you must learn, understand these 4 major ways, put them together. In no time, you will accumulate wealth for yourself if you are very prudent with your income. Once I see you in my next video, don't forget to subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up, and also tell your friend to tell another friend. Leave a comment for us on the comment section. We'd like to read from you. You know how we do it. God bless you. God bless me. God bless our business owners around.